How to log in into Arizona sales tax. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this tutorial video, I will teach you guys how to log in into Arizona sales tax. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now open any browser you have on your device. For example, I will use Safari. In the search bar, type Arizona sales tax login and search for it. Once you search for it, here you will see different links on your screen. On the third option, you can see the link of login. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will be directed to this page. Now here you can enter your username and password in order to log in into your account. So make sure that you have already created an account in order to log in into Arizona sales tax. Once you entered your username and password, click on login, and that's it. In this simple way, you can log in into Arizona sales tax. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.